Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jax in the maid outfit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve across. And then let's curve it down and back up for the shape of the head. Next on top, let's draw the headband. Let's draw a curve up and in on both sides. Then let's hop up higher and let's draw a curve in the center. And let's bring it down on both sides with a wavy line. Now let's hop in and let's draw some lines down from the top. Now on top of the headband, let's add the ears. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down on the right side. And let's do the same on the left. Now that we're done the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside in the center and let's draw a curve up and down on both sides. And then let's add a curve underneath. Now let's draw a small square inside each eye. And color them both in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve down from the outside here. And then let's curve it out and back in for the eyelashes. And color both sides in black. Now top back in and let's draw a small angle on top in the center and then curve it out for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out to the left and back in. And let's do the same thing on the right side, but bigger. And then let's add 3 lines inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 small lines down for the neck. And a curve across the bottom. Now for the collar, let's angle it down on both sides. And then bring it down and up like this. Next on both sides, let's draw a large curve up and back down for the sleeves. And close it off with a curve. Now inside each sleeve, let's draw 2 lines up from the bottom. And then underneath, let's draw 2 angles out. And a wavy line across for the ruffle. And 2 lines inside. Now top in and let's draw 2 lines down for the sides of the body. And a curve across underneath. Now inside the torso here, let's draw a curve at the bottom for the waistband. And then 2 vertical lines down. Now next to each of these lines, let's draw a wavy line down to add a ruffle. And then in the center, let's draw a heart. And that's it for the torso. Now we're going to hop back out and draw the arms. Underneath each of the sleeves, let's draw 2 lines down and slightly out like this. Then at the bottom, let's draw a curve up and back down. And another curve to close it off. Now underneath, let's draw 2 bumps down. Then let's bring it down and back up on the inside here for the thumb. And then a curve out and back in for the next finger. Then let's add another finger on top. And one more to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and let's finish the dress. From the waistband, let's draw a curve out and continue it down on the other side of the arms. And connect it at the bottom with a wavy line across. Now underneath, let's add another line down from the corners and a wavy line at the bottom. And let's add some lines inside. Now inside on the dress, let's add the apron. Let's start underneath the waist and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then at the wrists, let's draw a curve across. And a wavy line across underneath. And then let's hop in and let's draw some curved lines down underneath the waistband here. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 angles coming down and in. And then angle them back out. Now let's do the same thing next to it on the outside. Now inside, let's draw 2 curves at the top. Now top to the bottom and let's draw the shoes. Underneath the inside line, we're going to draw a bow by bringing it up, down, and in, and the same going the other way. And then next to the bow, let's draw a curve out. Now to continue the shoes, let's draw 2 curves down, meeting in the center here. And then a line down from the outside. And then let's connect it at the bottom. Lastly, let's add another line inside at the bottom. And that's it for Jax. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!